Strength of materials, which is commonly known as mechanics of material, is focused on analyzing stresses and deflections in materials under load. Knowledge of stresses and deflections allow us for the safe design of structures that are capable of supporting their intended loads. In this section, we will deal with certain important questions pertaining to strength of material or mechanics of material. These questions would be like, what is a UDL or a uniformly distributed load? What is bulk modulus of elasticity? Distinguish between creep and fatigue. Define buckling factor. What is the slenderness ratio? And many more.